Okay, here's your fourth video of a surface area of a cone. So surface area of a cone, well, you know the base, that's a base, and if you put this together, as you can see, the surface area is kind of different. This is your slant height coming down here, slant height, and then what is this? So if we could find the slant height multiplied by this, we would know it. So we're going to show you how you come up with this part right here, okay? So it says, recall that, I'm going to zoom in here, sorry. All right, that should work. Recall that a cone has a circular part and a vertex, and the axis of the cone is a segment with endpoints at the vertex center of the base. So here is your altitude from here to the vertex to the center of the base. If the axis is also the altitude, then it's a right cone. If not, it's an oblique. So right, oblique, and you can see the slant height, the altitude, the distance here is a radius. So you're dealing with slant height, altitude, and radius. Now, how do you come up with this part, this area of this part of the figure? How did they come up with that? We know the circle, but how do you come up with Pac-Man? So it says the net for a cone is shown at the right. The circle with a radius r is the base of the cone. It has a circumference of 2 pi r and an area of pi r squared. The sector with radius L, see the sector with radius L, is the lateral surface of the cone. Its arc measure is 2 pi r. You can use a proportion to find its area. So we'd say the area of the sector divided by the area of the circle equals the measure of the arc divided by the circumference of the circle. So the area of the sector divided by pi L squared, that's the area of the circle, because L is your radius, okay? Not r, it's your radius here, L, equals 2 pi r, which is the measure of the arc, 2 pi r, divided by 2 pi r, the circumference of the circle, okay? 2 pi r, 2 pi l. So now we do the product of the means equal to this product of the streams. So this is the area of the sector times 2 pi l equals pi r l, pi l squared times 2 pi r, and then you divide by 2 pi l. When you divide by 2 pi l, you get this. So this simplifies, if you see, the pi simplify, right? 2 simplifies, the pi simplify, and the L simplifies to this L, and you end up with pi r l. That is the area of this pack part, which is this right here. So I talk about saying this is your L, and then pi r. Pi r times L, okay? So with that, we're going to come over here and find the lateral area of a cone, and then maybe we'll find the surface area, I don't know, down here. Well, you just add in the base area once you find. Okay, so lateral of a cone. So the conical slate roof at the right has a height of 16 feet and a radius of 12 feet. Find the lateral area. So here's your 16 feet, here's your 12 feet. So finding the lateral area, we need to find first the L. So we use the Pythagorean theorem and we get 20. Then to find the lateral area, we say it's pi r l. So pi times r is 12 times L is 20, and we get 754 for the estimated value of our lateral area of this top section of a figure. What is that? It's a slate roof. Okay, so we say that the surface area of a cone then is the lateral area plus the base area. Okay, sorry. So therefore, lateral area is pi times r times L. So our surface area is pi times r times L, the lateral area plus the base area, which is pi r squared, and that's it. Now down here I have all the different formulas. So we have the prism lateral area, we have the cylinder, prism's lateral area is perimeter times your height, and then lateral area plus 2 bases, because you have 2 bases if you remember, and you work that out. The lateral area here of a cylinder, which is this part, is 2 pi r times h, if you remember. So we add in the 2 bases, which is this. So this is your lateral area. This is your 2 bases. This is your lateral area. This is your 2 bases, because it's pi r, 2 pi r squared. Here's your lateral area here, and then there's only 1 base for a pyramid. Here's your lateral area here, which is Pac-Man, plus your base area pi r squared. Any questions, concerns, give me an email or text me. Have a great day.